Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our next set of online English language courses. One of the most amazing things about the last 18 months or so, since the pandemic struck, is the fact that COVID has been a real godsend for people who don't usually like making small talk. In almost every class I've taught in the last year and a half, COVID has been a wonderful little small talk topic. So, there's a silver lining to everything. Yesterday in class, one of my students was complaining because a concert she'd been hoping to attend next month has now been cancelled because in her part of Russia there's been a huge spike in infections. The death toll keeps going up and basically they've started cancelling events left, right and centre. By the way, you may also hear this said as right, left and centre. It's the same thing. If they've been cancelling events left, right and centre, they've been cancelling them all over the place. They've been cancelling them a lot. They've been cancelling them everywhere. In the same way, you might talk about shops closing down left, right and centre because of the pandemic. Companies may waste money left, right and centre. And after the England defeat the other day at Wembley, shamefully, windows and cars were getting smashed up outside the stadium by a minority of hooligan fans. They were getting smashed up left, right and centre. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button, the thumbs up symbol. Apparently it helps us with the algorithm. It lets more people see what we're doing. Please do share the video with your friends, your colleagues, your students. And in the comment section below, we'd love to hear about things that have happened left, right and centre.